Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another DIY. In this video, I will be replacing my differential fluid on this E46 M3. I will put a link, all the parts I used, in the description below. I ordered 3 bottles of Castrol Centrax. It's the 75W140 and a Motorcraft by Ford. It's an additive friction modifier, and of course, a syringe. Before you jack up the car, first you have to warm up your differential fluid by driving around for a few miles, then come back, jack up the car, and make sure the car is level. Just an extra safety backup, just in case the hydraulic lift will fail. Always wear your safety glasses every time you go under the car. Make sure to remove the fill plug first, the one on the top. Let's say you remove the drain plug first and drained all the fluid, and for some reason you can't remove your fill plug. Now you're in big trouble because you can't put any more fluid in your differential. Next is to remove the drain plug. Big thank you to Motorsport Inspired by explaining how much friction modifier you have to add each bottle. You have to add 23 milliliter or 23 cc of friction modifier to each bottle of your differential fluid. Make sure to give them a good shake to mix. Next is to install the drain plug. Now torque the drain plug to 44 foot-pound. You need a transfer fluid pump to pump the fluid to your differential. Stop pumping when you see a fluid coming out. That means it's already full. It took 2.5 bottles to fill the differential. Install the fill plug. Torque it to 44 foot-pound. Make sure to clean up the mess. If you like this DIY, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's more DIYs to come, so see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.